Welcome back, guys. It's the Prince, Damio KOL, and today we're going to be doing a different style of video. I'm going to show you how to start from a freshly taken picture out in nature and the small little tweaks and edits that I do to get the pictures how I want to look like and basically how I have them posted. So we're going to start from scratch. We're going to go ahead into our file folder and we're going to find my Panasonic G7 SD card. It's a USB D drive under my folders, and it is this picture. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look at it now. Before I do any editing, I always just enlarge in it, and this is a beautiful photo. As you can see, we've got beautiful flowers in the background. The butterfly is gorgeous. It's doing the nectar, it's doing its thing, and we don't really need to do much. Anytime I edit a photo, I always have this philosophy of less is more. You don't want to take away from the natural beauty that the photo already has. You just kind of want to tweak it and enhance the good things that are already in it. I mean, if we go already and zoom in on this butterfly, like that, the gorgeous image. Like right there, you can see all the detail. You can see the detail in the eyes, the antenna, the wings, and the wings are just beautiful. You can just see the beautiful pattern that this butterfly has on this flower. So we're gonna head and start the editing process. We're gonna go to edit. Now this is the basic simple editing software that comes with Windows 10. So we're just, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and kind of just crop in to that part of the butterfly that we want to capture right about there. No more farther, closer, and boom, we could still get the whole butterfly in the shot. We could still get the flower. So now here is where I'd go, and then the next step I would go to is the different filters. Now we can keep the original filter because it's still really good, but what I want to do is I kind of want to get more of the shadows of the shot, and I also want to be able to still retain that beautiful yellow in the shot. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of different filter options, and the one we're gonna go with today is gonna be Napa. Now the reason why I'm choosing Napa is that you actually get more of the shadows I was talking about, but you still retain the beautiful yellows in the shot. As you can see, this is the original before the filter change, and then this is the Napa. Like I said, you get those beautiful shadows that really enhance the photo, but you still get to keep that beautiful yellow. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next feature up here in the top, which is the color adjustments and the color clarity. There's not many more adjustments I would make. I mean, I could, bump the light settings and, bump the color and, maybe adjust the clarity a smidge it up so you get more of the clarity and the detail in the shot. And the color I would keep the same. The Vendetti and this just really adds more dark around, which we're not really looking for. I mean, I know we didn't make that many adjustments, but if we go ahead and just, undo all the edits we've done, this is where we've started, right? And this is where we're at. We've gone from a really spread out photo where I couldn't really get that focus on that butterfly. It's still a beautiful picture and it's still out in nature, but we just want to really zoom in and intensify and bring out the best in the photo. So I'll just go here, click save as a copy. I'd probably just name this something simple like yellow butterfly. And I would save it, head on Instagram and post it. But thank you guys for watching with me. Please leave a like and a comment if you want to see more kind of videos like this where I show you my processes and how I do different things. Stay updated, and thank you for watching. It's your Prince, Damio KOL. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.